Hello, I'm K.Duke. I'm a professor in criminology at Middlesex University, and I was one of the coordinators of the EPPIC project, along with Professor Betsy Tom. Today, we're going to be talking about engagement and dissemination with multiple stakeholders. EPPIC was an international multidisciplinary research project part-funded under the European Commission's Health Programme from 2017 to 2020. The project was led by our UK team with cross-sectoral partners in 6 EU member states representing anthropology, criminology, psychology, social policy, and sociology disciplines, as well as service providers and a charity. The project had the challenging aim of identifying transferable innovations and principles of good practice among interventions designed to prevent illicit drug use. Although we had been part of other EU-funded projects and had led work packages, this was our first experience of coordinating an international multidisciplinary research project in its entirety. The complex project across national, disciplinary, and sectoral boundaries required close contact throughout the research process, not only with the funders and institutional partners, but also with a wide range of practitioners and stakeholders. The project design involved interviews with both practitioners and young people in contact with the criminal justice system. A major challenge for the project team was how to engage meaningfully with so many different stakeholders. We had to meet the funders' requirements for organizing regular feedback and producing reports, while also responding to the institutional demands and expectations of team members. Internal and external engagement was ensured throughout the research process using a range of communication strategies. Virtual meetings, although less common at the time of the project as it was pre-pandemic, we used these to facilitate exchanges between the team members while also allowing a larger number of meetings than would have been possible face-to-face. An interactive web platform and Twitter account were set up and used throughout the project. We placed all information and project reports on a website, which we maintained from our own resources at the end of the funding period. We produced electronic newsletters, blogs, press releases, and participated in scientific conferences and other events. The International Advisory Group members attended all face-to-face partner meetings and knowledge exchange events. They received final reports from work packages and all outputs from the research team. They were consulted by email as needed on specific topics. They served as a valuable source of expertise, experience, and contacts with stakeholders. They distributed information about the project through their own international networks and provided opportunities for presentations. We also produced a set of quality standards covering workforce learning, training, and development of best practice among practitioners working in criminal justice systems and substance use services. Two main lessons to be drawn from the experience of coordinating such a disparate network of stakeholders within a limited time frame and budget were firstly, the need to avoid being overly ambitious in the research proposal when bidding for resources, particularly if partners are required to raise additional funds. And secondly, to give serious consideration to the possibility of employing a professional administrator who can deal with the day-to-day management of the project, leaving the academic coordinators to concentrate on the content of the work packages and to manage the interface with multiple stakeholders.